Are you one of those people who cannot stop their hand from picking a food and putting in their mouth even when they were not hungry? Or someone, as I call, compulsive snacker? If yes, I'm sure you do not enjoy that. And that is the habit game for today. Having no snacks between meals. Are you ready? If yes, let's get started. Welcome to Grow with Girija and to the Habit Game. You know, each game is at one of the three complexity levels: simple, challenging, or difficult. Today's habit game is at difficult level. And what is the game? The game is having no snacks between meals. But why this habit? We all know that our body needs time to digest the food which we eat. And if we continue to eat between meals, no matter whether it is healthy food or not so healthy food, our body does not get to perform the digestive process correctly, and it is going through all that process all the time, and that is not good for our health in the long run. And that is why the habit game is for no snacks between meals. Eating regularly or snacking is part of our modern lifestyle. When I was growing up at our house, we used to have three meals: two major meals, one in the morning 9 o'clock, one later in the evening around 7 or 8 o'clock, and afternoon a light meal. That's it. No other food in between. And that habit has stayed with me. I'm thankful for my parents to give me such a good habit. But I know some people and some friends who would eat something if offered, or they come across it even when they just had a meal. And that is why this new habit of not snacking between meals. You know, you can play at one of the four player levels depending on how long do you play the game. Now let's talk about the rules. The rule is no snacking between the meals. Irrespective of whether you have two meals, three meals, four meals in a day, include all your food within that meal and don't eat anything between the meals. I want to help you in building this habit, and this is my suggestion to you. Like they say, if you don't want to drink, don't go to the bar. So you know, if you are into habit of snacking often, don't keep snacks, junk food at home, or at least keep them away which are not easily accessible. That way it will help you to build this new habit. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel to support it and also to see more videos like this. I can tell you this new habit will be challenging in the beginning, but once you have had it for some time, you will know the difference. The difference of having a full hunger when you have not eaten for a long time versus a dull hunger which comes when you keep eating, which neither gets satisfied nor lets you stop eating. And that's it. You know, your chances of winning at any game are higher when you give it your 100%. This habit game is for you to bring a positive change in your life. So give this your best, give this your 100%.